Hi, friends. My name is Avinash Ananda, and I have a very simple message for you today. And my message is relax. I'm in Coorg on a coffee plantation in Karnataka, in India, and I'm relaxing. So, which is what gave me the thought that I must share this message with you. See, focus is important. Focus is a book written by Daniel Goleman, who popularized emotional intelligence. He calls focus the hidden driver of excellence. We all know that we must focus. We know that we have to get things done, we need to plan, and there are many tools to focus. But there is also a very interesting book called Unfocus. Unfocus is written by a Dr. Srini Pillai, who is a Harvard trained psychiatrist and also a brain imaging expert. Dr. Srini Pillai says that if you focus too much, your brain will get tired. He doesn't put it that way. He says that the brain gets depleted of energy, which means just this, that if you focus too much, then you don't function optimally. You're not as happy. If you focus too much on something for too long, what happens is two things happen, two negative things happen. Number one is that you begin to care less. You begin to lose empathy. You don't make very good decisions that concern people, and you are less collaborative. Engagement is less. So you know that a Gallup study says that employee engagement is lower than 15% all over the world, which is terrible. So too much of focus could be one reason for caring less. The second negative thing that happens when you focus too much is that you get less creative. So relax, take time out to unfocus, toggle, switch between focus and unfocus. Because when you unfocus, you're not just relaxing, but you're also allowing your brain to heal from the tiredness, from past traumas. Also, you are allowing your brain to connect the dots, to bring solutions for for challenges that you might be facing in your life. There is a lot more of the brain that we can use than is known to the conscious mind. So all I'm saying is balance, focus sometimes, unfocus sometimes, recharge your battery. Even a mobile phone needs recharging. So human beings need recharging too. So relax, have fun, be happy. Bye bye.